Let's check out if it is possible to install GCam on POCO C85. In order to test that, we can go to the Play Store and we can download an app that allows us to check if there is a compatible version of GCam for POCO C85. And this app is GCam. So I'm gonna use this one, and based on that app, I will show you how to try to get one. Of course, there is a chance that the POCO C85 will not have the compatible version, so instead we can use the GCam version made for another POCO smartphone that might be somewhat compatible. Of course, there might be some differences here and there, so we have to keep that in mind. And as you can see, GCam is not available yet for this smartphone, so I'm just gonna request. Perhaps if you're watching this video later on, maybe the GCam is already available. But what we can do is we can switch to GCam's list over here. Let's use the search, and what we can do is we can type Xiaomi, because of course POCO smartphones are pretty much Xiaomi smartphones. And we can try to find the latest version available for POCO C85. And it seems that from the top, the newest one should be the 9.3 for Android 11. So I'm gonna use that one. Let's start downloading. Of course, we have an ad in the meantime, but we can skip it in just a couple of seconds. And after that, we should be able to start downloading, I believe. There's also a chance that we will be redirected to a website. Yeah, there we go. So we'll have to get it from this page. And we're gonna tap on Inspect over here, and let's download. Of course, we will have to grant the permission for the browser to install unknown apps. And let's actually go to details. And once it is downloaded, we're just gonna try to install it. And let's see if we can actually install it. We should be able to do so without any issues. There is the information that the unsafe app was blocked, so we can tap on more details and then install anyway. There we go. And of course, it is not guaranteed that the app will be working just fine, because this GCam that the GCam app that I'm downloading is actually made for another smartphone. So it can be crashing, it can be not working at all, or it might be working just fine, or maybe some features might not be available. All right, so let's take a photo, and it seems that it works. Let's switch to a different mode. The zoom seems to be working just fine. Have some additional options in here, so we can try to use them. Let's switch to the video mode, and let's switch to the front camera as well. Let's record a short video. And it seems that it is actually working just fine. So far, no issues at all. You can even play the video. So that should be good to go. So yeah, if you are looking for GCam, perhaps you can download the version that I just downloaded from the GCam app. And hopefully you can enjoy. Of course, there might be still something that might not work properly. There we go, like for example, the slow motion, I believe. Is it gonna work? I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but let's see if we can record something. I guess we can. All right, so yeah, if you want to record a slow motion video now, you can with this app. And that's about it. Subscribe to my channel.